So this is my first time bleaching, and Patrick is gonna let me experiment on it. I didn't tell you it was my first time?
Not really, no.
I actually went to school for doing hair. I went to YouTube University. Hi everybody. I'm sitting here with my friend Patrick. Introduce yourself, Pat.
Hey guys, my name is Pat.
And he's getting ready to get styled. He's getting ready to get styled by the kitchen beautician.
Yeah. Pretty scared, just so you know.
I got MANIC PANIC amplifier. I got volume 40 because he's all natural, so we need a bleach that's going to break through that melanin. I have some hair foils, some purple shampoo, and some hair clips. And you already know my favorite, Dax Pomade, because we're going to go ahead and retwist his locks too.
Also, just so you know, my cornstarch nails are still on and they're still sturdy, so if you want to see more about how to do these, I'll link the video below.
Okay, you ready?
Wow! So Patrick has been locked up for about a year now. He hasn't had a retwist in 2 or 3 months, so we're gonna start this makeover by dyeing these tips blonde.
But I don't know, I feel a little weird with those little circles on my glasses and stuff.
You want to take your glasses off? Oh, you feel weird like you like it?
Hey guys! I'm a star. I have like a makeup artist coming and shit, taking care of me. I'm a star. You know what I mean?
Alright, so I'm trying to read the instructions. You
That's
know what?
crazy!
I honestly think that we should just wing it.
What that means?
Wing it. It's an English term.
Yeah.
It's like c'est la vie.
Oh, c'est la vie. So like just whatever. Just go ahead and whatever
C'est
with
la
my hair.
vie.
C'est la vie with my hair. Let's do it.
You're my special friend.
Alright, so this bleach kit comes with the 40 volume amplifier cream developer, and it also comes with the bleach powder. The kit also comes with gloves and a cap. Ew. What that look like, Pat?
You tell me.
You're so immature! Me? Really?
That looks like hair developer.
Yeah.
So first things first, make sure you have your gloves on because I got a little bit of this stuff on my nail and it did start to burn. Now we're going to go ahead and section off his hair and apply the bleach to the tip of his lock. I'm starting with the back of his head because the thicker the hair, the longer it takes to lighten, and we want a nice even blonde from front to back. Not only does the aluminum foil keep from making a mess, but it also heats the hair so that it gets lighter faster. This is important for locks so that that bleach can get to the center of the shaft.
So we just tested a strip. We showed Patrick what it was looking like so far, and Patrick didn't know that blonde is permanent.
No, I did not. I look like Lil Wayne, guys.
Patrick F baby.
As you can see, Patrick started to freak out, so we only left the bleach in for about 25 minutes. Then we washed with the purple shampoo to tone and get rid of all those brassy colors. And voila, he is blonde. Now we're going to go ahead and retwist. So I have my pomade and a small tooth comb. When it comes to retwisting with combs, this one is the best. I comb through the new growth and coil down the shaft. And any loose strands, I just rub into the lock. So now he's all twisted up. So now we're gonna style. Patrick wanted barrel twist, and this was my first time doing it. I didn't get the best angle, so if you can see what I'm doing, congratulations. I basically retwisted at the root to keep it as tight as possible and overlapped each lock from left to right. Every time I cross a lock, I would wrap it around the original lock to create that barrel look. It requires some patience, but you have to make sure you wrap every dread so that that barrel gets nice and wide. Once you work your way down the head, you'll start to see the locks will form a tube. Patrick doesn't do much with his hair, so this is a good protective style that will keep his locks nice and neat, providing enough time for that new growth to lock in place. Once I get to the bottom, I fasten with a clear rubber band. Now on to the next side. Once I got to the bottom, I just tucked the ends of the barrel twist into one another. The next day, Patrick went and got a haircut. I did notice that my barrel twists are not completely symmetrical, but Patrick seems to be happy. He likes his hair, so that's good enough for me. Until next time, bye bye guys.